then baba. So this is active assistive range of motion exercise. Clear? Kung paano ko ginawa doon, ganun rin lang po. Okay? Kaya isang example, knee flexion. Active assistive ng knee flexion. Anyone?
Sir?
Knee flexion. Active assistive ng knee flexion. Ano magiging instruction? Ano magiging instruction sa patient? Yung knee. Aside from that instruction, ano pa kaya? Sa pag-technique, functional dapat ang inyong instruction. Yung may target para get ng patient kung saan niya ipoposition. Pwede yun, pakidala yung tuhod. Pakiabot po yung kamay ko ng inyong kanang tuhod or kaliwang tuhod. Or, bring your left knee to your chest. Ano kayo ibig sabihin nun? Left knee to your chest. Angat na ngayon yan. Ano ba? And then hanggang dito lang yung kaya niya, and then you continue. Nakaba ba? So, yung instruction, magbigay ka ng target, maging functional instruction para magkaintindihan kayo kung saan pa pupuntahin. Alright? Oh, isa pa instruction. How about external and internal rotation of the heels? How would you give instruction to the external and internal rotation of the heels? Try natin ang external. Paano kaya magiging instruction niyo? Clear and concise.
Pakitupi po. Pakitupi. Pakitupi po yung...
Pag ganyan, internal rotation yan. Ano ba yung instruction?
External rotation, buka ka.
Buka ka, kapag binuka niya yan, present yan. So that is not external rotation. That will be abduction.
Sir, nakapend yung knee, pero
So sabihin mo na, Mommy, bend your knees. Yan yung knees. And then,
okay na po ba kung buka ka kayo?
move your
knee to the left.
to the left and to the right. To the left and to the left. Now, ang haba ng instruction nyo, tama ba? So, kung yung patient ay stuporous or lethargic ang patient or drowsy, sabihin natin drowsy, nakatulog daw ang patient. Hindi pa rin kayo tapos sa instruction. So, concise. The instruction should be concise. Mami, bring your left knee heel to your right knee. To your right knee. External rotation. Okay? Again, mami. Tapat po. Okay? Tulong mo. Okay. Nakawa ba? So, yung instruction should be short, concise, pero clear. Okay, paano pag